Hello guys and welcome back to another video. I'm Camden as usual, and this is part 2 of our Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International plane spotting at the North Terminal Park. Pretty loud up here. But over there. Nice views. This is where the best place is because there's more there's 3 runways over there, but it's better over here. Mom, get the plane. There's a plane taking off. Looks like we have another steering guide. I'm ready for people keep looking at us like we're crazy, just blind spotting right here. No, seriously, I'm not doing that.
Only slightly weird when you're videoing at an airport.
Come on. People do that all the time.
Sure.
Sure. There's this guy I'm watching, he literally uploads videos like every Friday or Saturday
Yeah.
on Hartsfield.
It's okay.
Plane spotting. But he does it different days. He does days after days and then just puts them into one video.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Is that kind of the goal of what you're doing here?
No, not really.
Just walking around a lot?
But I'm pacing. I get to pace Mom to get there.
Here we have Spirit Air.
I'm not going to clarify that. But it's not as nice when you have construction. Or you construction people.
And back to camp. What else do you want to add?
Not a lot. Yeah. This is going to be over 3 parts. I'm just going to say that.
Oh lordy.
So yeah, I want to thank you guys very much for watching part 2 of plane spotting here at Hartsfield, and I will see you soon in a couple of minutes for our next episode, for our next video of plane spotting. We'll be videoing this about in here in a second, but yeah, I want to thank you guys very much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And I want to thank you very much for watching today's this video, and I will see you in a few minutes. Bye.